To send voice messages on the Redmi Note 14S, all you simply have to do is first go for the Messages application. From here, select any contact that you'd like to send a voice message. I will select this one. And from there, all you simply have to do is just press this circle, this icon right here, right next to this text box. Press this one. And from here, you can tap here to record your voice, to start recording, or simply you can tap on this microphone icon. And after you tap on this one, the recording will begin, and you can record your voice message. And after you are done, you can simply press this stop button right here. You can have the peer review of this message. You can additionally restart if you're not satisfied with this message. And after you're basically done recording, you can stop it, or you can just press this attach button after finishing the recording. And as you can see, this voice message is now attached to the message, and after that simply press this button to send it. And as you can see, that's how you can send the voice message on the Redmi Note 14S.